Hey guys, welcome back. Today on Jauntjunkies, I am measuring for a new mattress to go in the bean. Our last camping trip, we realized that we need something with a little bit more support. When we got up in the morning, we noticed our neck was a little crinked, my shoulders were hurting because I was laying on these major joint points in my hips and shoulders. And we decided we needed to get something with a little better support. We are working with a Mattress Insider. They are awesome because they can custom make any mattress or cushion pad to the specifications that you are looking for. We have worked with them in the past in getting one for Goldie. Since we've had such good luck and we have a really nice mattress in there, we are going to go ahead and try them again here for the bean. As you can see, right down here is the furnace. It is a little tough to get to, but it does have a little lip. Let's take a measurement there. So it basically sticks out 2 inches, but let's also check the width of it this way as well. Which we are basically looking at 20 inches. Putting that all on my little sketch pad right here will help me when I go back to the computer and place my order. Right here is my line. This is the floor. And I measured up to the vent. It's our vent. To this point, we are at 6 inches. Measurement across, we are at 20. I'm just gonna move all this bedding out of the way so I can get an accurate measurement of currently what our mattress is. Should be at a standard queen, which is 60 by 80, but let's just double check that. I am actually measuring out 78, which would be our furnace, giving us the 2 inches, pushing us right at 80 for the length. As for the width, we are pretty much, it's hard to see right where that mattress is, but if we move over here, let's go over here and go wall to wall. Should have removed all this bedding, actually. That would have given me a better measurement here. So yeah, basically right at 60 as well. Throw that down. Gonna do our 78 and our 60. I also re-measured basically door frame to door frame because there is that little bit of lip right there that is sticking out. And I measured it, well, 57, 58, it would probably be ideal. I'm thinking if we went with the 58 mattress in the width, that'll give us our 2 inches on the door frame, well, inch on each side, clearance, and still be able to tuck in fairly easily. Next step is take a look on mattressinsider.com, see what we like. Probably will stick with what we currently have in Goldie. We've really liked that mattress so far.
Meanwhile.
All right, here we are, part 2 on our mattress series. So we got our custom made mattress delivered. It was roughly 10 days. So really quick. And now we have the pleasure of pulling out the old one, putting the new one in, and we'll see how it fit and how well my measurements were, and mostly how it feels to sleep on.
I think it's folded in half because I hope it's wider than just this. That's about a twin bed, so can't wait to see how this is to sleep on as compared to the foldable. But we need to get that one out first, then we can get this one in.
Next up is to tackle bedding and mattress. This mattress is going to be relatively easy to pull out because you can see that it folds up However, the new one might be a little more tricky.
Just so that you guys can see how it does it, I'm gonna fold the mattress so that way it converts into a sofa for you. So, something like that. Which would be nice, I guess, if you were, you know, stuck in a rainstorm, whatever. That just has never happened to us, and we're hoping to get a better night's sleep. Not the worst thing ever to sleep on, but we're just hoping to upgrade a little bit. Wedge it up against the house. Probably be easiest to undo the box now, then put it in, and then cut the plastic off, or rip the plastic off, I think. Do this very carefully so I don't nick the mattress. That'd be awful. When you do a custom mattress like this, there's no refunds or returns or whatever. If you did a standard size without like the cutout for the furnace like we did, then you can return it, no big deal. They back it up, you know, they do the 100 days or whatever. But when you order it custom with the notch out, there's nothing they can do, so. All right. We went with a 6-inch, so once this was rolled out and expands, it should be pretty good for sleeping, and it shouldn't block our furnace vents over here or hit on any of that stuff. Now if I can get the plastic off. Keep pulling, Kara, it's expanded on us. Oh, there's the cutout right here, so we need to flip it around.
It's upside down.
No, it's not. Oh. Okay. All right. Nothing's ever easy. All right. Now, I know it looks a little bit small, but it's going to expand as it rises up. It'll expand out a little bit. And I wanted to make sure that it wasn't too tight this way. So hopefully I didn't misorder. Because if I pull it all the way this way, there's a little bit of gap. But we'll see how much it expands. Not that big of a deal, but it's supposed to take a little while to expand. So let's let it just expand and we'll see how it goes. Been about an hour. Thought we'd come out and check the mattress to see how it looks. Okay. Well, that looks really nice. It looks like it's expanded all the way. 6 inches there. Nice. Wow, okay. That looks very different. I really like how the cutout goes around our controls here and around that little cutout for the furnace. That's one of the real benefits of ordering a custom mattress from Mattress Insiders. They can make it to whatever you want. And by doing this, we don't have some wadded up mattress up against that portion, or, you know, have it blocking or messing with the furnace settings or all those sort of things. How do you think it looks, Kara?
I think it looks really nice.
I'm sorry, I did order it a little bit not wide enough.
Well,
I went 57 inches because I went to the door frame a little bit. The old mattress, you should just like push up against it. I probably could have went 58 inches, but what's a ½ inch on each side, right?
that's right.
That's not my Mattress Insider's bad. That's my bad for ordering it that way. And to eat crow a little bit, Kara had it written down as 58, and I remeasured, and yeah. So I should have went with what Kara measured.
Always trust the wife.
But looks pretty dang good. Lay on it and see what you think.
Give it the little lay test.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, I can tell already my hip's not on the floor. All I need is my little pillow and I'd be set for the night.
Yeah. Now, Mattress Insider makes custom sheets as well, right?
They do, and we've actually got some through them with Goldie. We have a radius corner, and having custom sheets just fits so nice and snug around that radius versus having the square cut and bagginess and all that stuff. We have custom sheets for this as well. However, that was for the 4-inch.
Yeah, the old mattress.
We'll have to see if those work on here. If not, then we'll have to be getting new sheets for this mattress.
Which luckily we can just use the code Jauntjunkies and save some money.
With Mattress Insider, we will have a link for you down below. It's a special link, promo code, Jauntjunkies, 2 words, to give you a great discount.
I guess now it's time to get the bed made, which is always fun.
So fun. But it might be a little easier where we're a little bit smaller and we can actually get our hands around the edges.
Yeah.
So.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
We are all put back together. Which actually went quite simply. We have the extra room that I can actually tuck my hand down in the side. Tuck my hands down in the back that I can actually, you know, be able to lift up the end and shove sheets down under there. So it's nice that we have that little bit of wiggle room on the mattress. So thank you for catching this episode at Jauntjunkies. We appreciate your viewership, and above all, enjoy your weekend.